If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you distribute PDF forms to users using either email or a SharePoint or network server, and it collects and tracks their responses. To prevent issues when you distribute a form in Acrobat, however, you must often disable Acrobat's protected mode for the duration of the form distribution workflow, which reduces security. You should then re-enable protected mode in Acrobat after completing the form distribution to provide the protected mode security again. If needed, to disable protected mode in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button and then click the Preferences command to open the Preferences window. Then select the Security Enhanced category at the left side of the window. Then uncheck the Enable Protected Mode at Startup checkbox. Then read the security warning and click Yes to continue. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the Preferences window. Then, close and reopen Acrobat to start it without the protected mode security enhancements. To enable protected mode in Acrobat after finishing your workflow, like distributing a form and collecting responses in Acrobat, repeat the same process again. However, this time, check the Enable Protected Mode at Startup checkbox. Then restart the Acrobat application to apply the protection again. When you distribute a form, Acrobat saves a new version of the form with _distributed added to the original form's name. It saves this into the original PDF forms folder unless you specify a new distribution folder within a SharePoint or network server, in which case it saves the copy to the folder it creates on the server. Acrobat also creates a PDF portfolio that collects the form response data. By default, the portfolio file is saved in the same folder as the original form, with _responses added to the original form's file name. To distribute a form in Acrobat, open the form to distribute, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. Then, click the Send button at the bottom of the Prepare a Form panel at the left side of the window to open the Distribute Form dialog box. Select how to distribute the form by choosing either the email or internal server option in this dialog box. Then click the Continue button. If you select the email option, answer the questions in the series of screens that appear within the Distribute Form wizard to create an email to which to attach the form. If you choose to email the form using Acrobat, then when you click the Send button, the Send Email dialog box appears so you can select the email account to use to send the email. When finished sending the email, Acrobat opens the Tracker window so you can track the form. Alternatively, if you select the Internal Server option, then the Distribute Form wizard prompts you to enter a shared network location to which it can save the form, choose how to inform users to fill out the form, save the network location you selected, and send a notification to selected form users. Answer the questions in each screen and click the Next button to continue. If you try to distribute a form this way and notice that Acrobat cannot create a folder in the selected network location and responds with a cannot create folder error despite having read-write access to the folder, then you may need to disable protected mode in Acrobat to distribute the form and then re-enable it when finished. To return to a previous screen when answering questions in the Distribute Form wizard in Acrobat to change a response if needed, click the Previous button. If you successfully distribute a form to a network location, Acrobat saves the network location and then shows it within a drop down menu it adds next to the internal server option in the first screen of the Distribute Form wizard. In the future, if you select a saved network location from the dropdown, you only need to send the notification to users in the wizard. When finished, click the Send button in the final screen to save the PDF to the shared location and send notifications to the selected users. When finished sending the email notification, Acrobat opens the Tracker window so you can track the form responses. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.